Today, I'll show you how to add a back to top button in Webflow, a handy feature for improving your website's navigation. Whether you're a Webflow beginner or just looking to enhance your site's user experience, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly. First, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see an option labeled All Sites. Go ahead and click on this to view all the projects you have in Webflow. This will bring you to a list of all your current sites, making it easy to pick the one you want to work on. Next, from the list, select the site where you'd like to add the button by clicking on it. This will open up the site editor where all the magic happens. You'll spend most of your time here whenever you're making changes or updates to your site. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the Add Element button. Clicking this will open a panel with a variety of elements you can add to your site. In the search bar of this panel, type button, and you'll see the button element appear. Click and drag this button to the footer section of your page. The footer is generally a good place for a back-to-top button because it will be accessible from the bottom of the page, right where users often need it. Now that the button is in place, it's time to give it a proper name so users know exactly what it's for. Click on the button, and in the settings, rename it to Back to Top. This label is clear and intuitive, ensuring that visitors can easily understand its function. With the button labeled, the next step is to make it functional by adding a link. To do this, click on the button to bring up its settings. You'll see an option to add a link. Click on that. In the link settings, you'll want to select Page, because we're creating an internal link that will direct users back to the top of the same page. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure seamless navigation. Finally, choose the page you want the button to link to. Most commonly, you'll select Home if you're working on your home page. However, if you're adding this to a different page, simply select the appropriate page from the drop-down menu. And there you have it. You've successfully added a back-to-top button to your Webflow site. This small addition can greatly enhance user experience by providing an easy way for visitors to navigate back to the top of your page, especially on longer pages where scrolling can become tedious. Remember, you can always customize the button style to match the overall design of your website. Play around with colors, fonts, and sizes in Webflow's styling panel to make sure it fits seamlessly with your site's aesthetic. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of Webflow's features to continue improving your website. Thanks for watching and happy designing.